what's going on? So I actually have 10 tips on you on how you can really do better on YouTube Shorts, okay? So the first thing to do, believe it or not, is to make your YouTube Shorts look somewhat amateurish, okay? Like beginner style. The reason why, you're like, what? Is because sometimes when people are scrolling, there's ads with it. So if your YouTube Shorts look way too polished, someone may think it's an ad and not click on it. Plus, if it's kind of amateurish, it can showcase your personality, can help bring people in as well. So that's kind of an out-of-the-box idea, but you can see how it kind of somewhat makes sense. Number two is you want to start with a TikTok video. Okay, here's just one I made today, and you can you go to TikTok.com, you get the URL right here, you copy it, and then you paste it into this place. And I'll put the link below, and then you could download that video without the watermark, and then you could upload that same video to tons of places. And there's really a ton of great places like Facebook Reels, Instagram, of course YouTube Shorts, and many other ideas. So that's a great thing. Number three, of course, is to make your videos short. The shorter, the better, okay? 10 seconds. 15, 18 is a sweet spot, no more than 20 if you can help it, and if you have to go to 30, that's okay, but you want people to reach the end of that video because it's going to help it rank more, okay? And people's attentions, they're just short. YouTube Shorts. So number four is you want to go to vidIQ, okay? And whatever keyword you think you're going to go after, you put it into vidIQ, and it'll give you a score. Look at this. Competition low, medium, high. And if the competition is too high and the search volume is too low, come up with some more ideas. And a wonderful, great way to come up with more ideas for a keyword to go after in a YouTube short is ChatGTP, okay? You just say, hey, give me 100 titles for, and put in your title. And it'll give you a lot more ideas that you can play with. So great tool that helps you brainstorm ideas is ChatGTP, and it's completely free. Okay, so you gotta do. Okay, all right. Number six is of course keywords. Right, you want to put the keyword in the title, the first sentence, put a hashtag in the keyword, and in the tags as well. And so make sure that YouTube Shorts knows what keyword you're going after. You kind of have to dummy proof it. Okay, all right. Next one is trends. If trends are in your industry, piggyback on the success. That's called drafting in NASCAR, right? And you can look for trends in your niche, and then you can create a YouTube, TikTok, and YouTube short video about that trend, and people are trending. Use those hashtags. Okay. Next one is audio. Audio is actually 80% of your video, so it's probably something I need to get myself is a better mic. But if anything, if you're gonna buy any type of equipment, just get a little bit of a better mic, because that will make the difference. And I know I need a better mic myself. All right, and of course the intro. All right, next is intro. Intro is where people drop off, and one thing that can help you is in the very beginning, you want that hook to pull people in. One idea is to showcase the result. That's a really interesting idea that they can receive. That's the hook. You can use sound effects to hook them in. You can use transitions. Anything to grab their attention so they make it past that first couple seconds is going to be great. All right. And next up is text. Put text for key points. A lot of times when people they're scrolling through their phone, they'll have the sound off. So you want that text to grab them, and so they understand what's going on with your video. That's another cool thing. And yeah, the last tip I have for you is make sure you have a call to action in your YouTube Shorts. Whether follow or subscribe for more, or click the link in my bio for more. Use some type of call of action. Okay, so there's just some great ideas. If you want more tips, I actually made a whole guide all about dominating with short video. It includes 50 tips. Okay, everything you can think about is in this guide, and you can get it for free. All you gotta do is click on the link somewhere in this video, or I'll put it down in the description as well. So hopefully this might have been at least a little helpful, and you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.